Okay, I wanted to look at some of the homework problems with you. So in this video, I'm going to just explain. For 1 through 3, you don't have to show any work. If you want to graph it on coordinate plane paper, that's fine. And then you can, submit that. Or you can just put it on Desmos and find the point where the two lines intersect. You just have to write the answer for 1 through 3. No work required. But for 4 through 6, you do have to show your work. Okay? And I'm going to do 4 with you so you understand how to do it. 4. Okay, this is like example 2 right here, substitution. Okay, so we have negative 5x plus 3y equals 7. Whoops. 5x plus 3y equals 12. Started copying the wrong one. Negative 5x plus 3y equals 12. And we have x plus 2y equals 8. So a substitution, we have to have a variable all alone in one of these two equations. X is almost all alone in this second equation. So I'm just going to subtract 2y from both sides of that equation to get x equals negative 2y plus 8. Now that I have x all alone in my second equation, I can substitute all of this into the first equation for x. And I got to substitute it into the first equation, not the second equation. And you got to take this and substitute it back into here. So you get negative 5 times negative 2y plus 8 plus 3y equals 12. And now we can solve for y. You get negative 5 times negative 2 is 10y. Negative 5 times 8 is minus 40 plus 3y equals 12. Combine your like terms. 13y, add 40 to both sides. 13y equals 52. Okay, 3 and 10 is 13. Add 40 to both sides. That's how I get the 52 here. Divide by 13. Y equals 4. Okay, and then just pick one of these two equations and substitute back in. I'm going to use the second one there. X plus 2y equals 8. Since y equals 4, I can replace the y with 4 and solve for x. So x plus 2 times 4 equals 8. X plus 8 equals 8. Subtract 8 from both sides. X equals 0. So the point of intersection of those two lines is going to be 0, 4. And you can check that on Desmos. Okay, your first equation, negative 5x plus 3y equals 12. Your second equation, x plus 2y equals 8. And our point of intersection is 0, 4. And that matches. So Desmos is a way to always confirm that your answer is right. Okay, for 1 through 3, you can just put them in Desmos and write the point where they intersect. But for 4 through 6, I will mark it wrong if I do not see any work. Look at all, you should have some work showing that it's substitution that you use. If you don't have any work, I will just mark it wrong. So show your work for 4 through 6 with substitution.